Cardamom is a flavorful spice that has been used for centuries for cooking and for its medicinal properties. Cardamom is a herb that belongs to the ginger family. It offers a range of potential health benefits due to its unique chemical composition. It is the third most costly spice globally after saffron and vanilla. Here are some of the health benefits associated with cardamom. Digestive aid. Cardamom has been used for centuries to promote digestion and relieve digestive discomfort. It can help alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. Antioxidant properties. Cardamom is rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. The antioxidants in cardamom may also protect cells from damage. Anti-inflammatory effects. Compounds found in cardamom, such as eugenol, have anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming cardamom may help reduce inflammation in the body. Heart health. Cardamom may support heart health by helping to lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. These effects can contribute to a lower risk of heart disease. Oral health. Chewing cardamom seeds or using cardamom-based mouthwash may help freshen breath and improve oral health. Cardamom has natural antibacterial properties that can combat bad breath and oral infections. Improved respiratory health. Cardamom is used in traditional medicine to relieve symptoms of respiratory conditions like coughs and bronchitis. Its aroma and potential anti-inflammatory effects may help open airways. Weight management. Some studies suggest that cardamom may help with weight loss by increasing feelings of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. Blood sugar control. Cardamom may have a positive impact on blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity, making it potentially beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk. Cancer prevention. Certain compounds in cardamom, such as cineol and limonene, have shown anti-cancer properties in studies. However, more research is needed in this area. Mood enhancement. The aroma of cardamom may have mood-enhancing effects. In aromatherapy, cardamom is sometimes used to reduce stress and anxiety. Antibacterial properties. Cardamom's natural antibacterial properties may help combat bacterial infections and promote overall immune health. Gastrointestinal health. Cardamom may help protect the stomach lining and reduce the risk of gastric ulcers. Menstrual pain relief. Some women find relief from menstrual pain by consuming cardamom, as it may have muscle-relaxing properties. Cardamom can be added to a variety of dishes, beverages, and desserts to impart its unique flavor and potential health benefits. As with any herbal remedy or supplement, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have specific health concerns or are pregnant or nursing.